ago, I represented Women Wage Peace in a very big convention in Italy. We went two-person. I was a Jewish and the other one was Arab. And suddenly I understood that people were looking at us as the word of peace. You have a Jewish woman who her kids goes to the army, and an Arab person, which it's a conflict. And we both come together. We are good friends in peace. And then I saw us in the eyes of the people. I felt like the Pope. Amazing. It was enlightening for me. Seeing how the people are looking at us as a significant issue, the new world. That was I didn't think about it. I said, okay, I'm coming to speak about peace and and what I believe in. But when I saw how they're seeing us together, wow, this was amazing for me. See how people really need peace. They need the quiet to work and do other things without war. This was a very significant moment for me. We learn all the time new things. That was wow.